Those were just my Swiss rolls that I cut. I'm gonna bring in my springform pan and grab our Swiss roll pieces, and we are going to line our perfectly sized Swiss roll pieces right into our springform pan. This is gonna be a super easy, no bake dessert that everyone will love. So let's quickly line up our Swiss roll pieces. Once we have 2 layers of our Swiss rolls, we can bring in a large bowl, and I'm gonna start off with 2 packages of my chocolate instant pudding, and these are the 3.3 ounces, and we're gonna use all of those 2 boxes right into our bowl. And then I have some whole vitamin D milk, and we're gonna add about 2 to 3 cups right in there. Perfect. And then to make this easy and fast, I have my electric hand mixer, and we are gonna whip up our pudding super fast. It is important that you have cold milk so that this can thicken up before we add the rest of our ingredients. But this chocolate pudding is just gonna go so beautifully with the rest of our Swiss roll cakes. I am so excited. Okay, let's just keep getting this mixed up. Okay, that looks absolutely perfect. We should have like a frosting-like consistency with our pudding. And then now we are gonna go ahead and add 1 block of softened cream cheese into this, and then a little bit of sweetened condensed milk. I'm gonna do about half of this jar. That's why we don't need the full quantity of our milk for our pudding, because we're adding some extra things that are gonna make this extra special. So now we're gonna bring back our hand mixer. We wanna make sure to mix this up super nicely. This is gonna be so yummy. It's gonna be chocolatey, it's gonna be creamy. That cream cheese is gonna help set everything, and it's just gonna be a nice sweet treat that you don't have to turn the oven on for. This would be great for a birthday or a barbecue, but it's gonna be delicious regardless what you make it for. So let's get this nice and combined. Oh my goodness, this looks crazy. I'm gonna make sure to get all of that off of our whisk super quick. Beautiful. Now to make this even fluffier, we have our Cool Whip or our whipped topping, and we are going to add this slowly into our chocolate pudding mixture. I did let this thaw, and we are just gonna fold this in. We don't need the hand mixer anymore. This is just gonna be so tasty and make this everything you want it to be, almost like a chocolate mousse texture. So we are going to fold this in so that our Cool Whip doesn't flatten as we combine these. But let's go ahead and get this nice and combined. We used about 8 ounces of our whipped topping, and I think this is the perfect consistency that we can use for our Swiss roll spring pan. And this is just gonna go right in the center. I'm gonna try my best to spatula that all in there without ruining our beautiful design with those Swiss rolls. When we open up this springform pan, we're gonna have the most beautiful sides to our dessert, and we're just making sure this gets all in there very carefully. I'm gonna go ahead and scrape the rest of this off camera. Okay, now we just wanna smooth that out, kind of just rotate it as we smooth it. This is looking absolutely delicious. Making sure that it goes all the way to those Swiss rolls so that it helps keep them in place. We kind of just want to use some force on them.
You're a smooth operator.
Yeah, I like that. Set in there. I saved the rest of our whipped topping, so we do a small little layer of whipped topping on there, just for some beauty and some cut from the chocolate. Kind of pull in the cream from the Swiss rolls, but this is gonna be such a light layer. Now to make this look extra pretty, I have my milk chocolate Hershey's bar that we are going to kind of just grate on top of our dessert. And it doesn't need to be big pieces, it's just kind of like a dusting almost. I'm using my zester for this. And we are just gonna kind of do it until we feel like there is enough. I mean, is there ever enough chocolate, especially with this dessert?
Never.
Okay, I think that looks good. All right, now this is gonna go into the fridge for at least 2 hours so that everything gets set. All right, we actually ended up popping this in the freezer so that it could set faster, but let's pop this open. Oh, look at those Swiss rolls. Oh my, how fun is that? Oh,
That's so cool.
Yeah, all right, let's cut a slice. I'm excited for this. Oh yeah, look at that. It looks like chocolate mousse.
Yum.
Okay. You could even do some of those Swiss rolls on the bottom to make like a bottom crust, but I figured this is all about presentation and that does the job. Oh.
Is it good?
Oh my gosh. This is incredible, you guys. You need to make this. Do not skip this one. It's delicious.